In today's video, we're going to be talking about how the spot price of silver is back in the green, along with breaking down how a real estate market crash could be in the near future. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and staying safe. It's a great day to have a great day. Today, I wanted to talk about how the spot price of silver has climbed back up to the $27 range, along with how there might be a real estate crash potentially coming soon. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel, for exclusive weekly content. Brand new video over there, go check it out. The link will be in the description. And if you want to get some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel, I would really appreciate it. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance. It's more than appreciated. But today is Thursday, May 6th, 2021. It's currently 66 degrees outside. It's super sunny. So this right here would be my office for the day, because why be inside when you can be outside? I actually went on a little bit of a hike today, and that'll be in the VIP exclusive vlog dropping on Saturday. The current spot price as I'm recording the video is $27.28, which means it's up about 83 cents from where it was yesterday. And gold as I'm recording the video is $1,813.30, which means it's up $26.70. And the current gold to silver ratio as I'm filming the video is somewhere between the 1:66 and 1:67 range. Head on down to the comments and let me know the date and time you're viewing the video and what the current spot price is for you. I'm always curious. So I'm going to be getting much more into silver and also a little bit of gold momentarily. But before we can even talk about the precious metals, I want to briefly mention the real estate market and something kind of frightening going on right now. I was going through a couple of proposals, and by the way, the reason I'm even talking about this is because I believe it's important to pay attention to all of the markets. I've been saying this for years. Even if you're not involved in a certain market, if it's in the financial realm, I think you should be paying attention to it anyway. If you don't own real estate, still pay attention to the real estate market. If you don't believe in stocks, still pay attention to the stock market. You should be paying attention to absolutely everything, because oftentimes they can give you clues as to what's going to be going on next. So I was reading through a couple of proposals of 46's administration, and I found one that I thought was pretty interesting. Now, I talked about something similar maybe a week and a half ago in terms of the stock market and taxes going up. Well, this one is a little bit more in reference to real estate, and it would appear that the administration is essentially trying to end capital gains tax benefits for long-term real estate investors who are making over $1 million a year. It looks like these investors would end up having to pay ordinary income taxes plus state income taxes on their gains, which could add up to 50 to 60% of the profit that they make upon selling a property. Can you imagine 50 to 60%? More than half of your gains go right to the government so they can do whatever it is in the world that they want to do. Now, a tax increase or a change in taxes for those making over $1 million does not affect me. It doesn't affect you, assuming that you're not a millionaire. However, during times of financial hardships or an economic downturn, someone like me, someone like you, someone like him, someone like her, an average Joe, might have no choice but to sell a property just to stay afloat, because at the end of the day, we're not millionaires over here. But the investors who are millionaires likely wouldn't be as easily backed into that same corner, and there would be no reason for them to have to sell. And guess what? There would also be no reason for them to want to sell, because they would be punished with higher taxes if they do. And what do you get if all of a sudden a large quantity of big-time investors begin refusing to sell? You get drastically less inventory on the market, which means there are less houses to buy, which means supply and demand, which means the prices of the houses that are on the market will go up, which means the middle class would have a harder and harder time affording new homes, which means the ones who can afford to buy these new homes with the marked up prices are even more rich people. So the rich people are doing all the buying. The rich people are not doing any of the selling, which means housing crisis. Which means, once again, the tax the rich proposals would lead to the rich paying even less in taxes than they already are, and the average Joe gets screwed. Now, keep in mind, it's very important to remember, these are just proposals. These are not set in stone. This is not the new rule. This is not the new law. This is not the new anything. This is a proposal. This is a concept. This is an idea, but this is also my opinion on what could happen if things actually go down this route. If things actually go this way, I would assume that it would lead to a massive problem in the real estate market. I would assume that it would lead to a catastrophe, if I'm going to be honest with you. And once again, I think it's really important to pay attention to all of the markets, which is why I pay attention to the real estate market. Full disclosure, I don't own any real estate yet. I would like to within the next 1 to 3 years, but at the moment, I currently don't. So at this very specific point in time, none of this applies to me. None of this has anything to do with anything. I would not be paying higher taxes. I'm not a millionaire or anything like that, but I still pay attention to everything going on, or as much as I can, going on in the realm of finance. I don't care if it's the credit industry. I don't care if it's real estate. I don't care if it's the stock market. I don't care if it's precious metals. I don't care if it's big businesses, small businesses. Does not matter. Pay attention to everything. If you keep your head on a swivel when it comes to money and currency and everything going on in these different markets, trust me, you can stay multiple steps ahead of the curve. And guess what? That could be very, very, very rewarding. Now moving on away from real estate and into the precious metals. Also, by the way, let me know what you think of everything that I just shared regarding real estate and the potential crash we might be seeing over the next couple of years. But moving back into silver. The current spot price of silver, as I said before, is $27.28. Big green day for silver. Up almost $1 from where it was yesterday. Now silver, what's interesting is, as expected, it's been a little bit of a roller coaster of a week. The market opened up on Monday. We were in the green. Tuesday, we were way in the red. Wednesday, which was yesterday, we were slightly even more in the red. Now here we are on Thursday, we're back in the green. This is something that probably everybody expected. This is really nothing new. This is, to be honest with you, pretty much every Monday through Friday, every week. It's always been sporadic. It's always been volatile. It's always been going up and down. Up today, down tomorrow. Up the next, down the next. That's silver. Welcome to precious metals. However, I am pretty excited because I recently discovered that I can get even more 90% silver at a coin shop that I had actually never gone to before. This is one that I've been meaning to pay a visit. It's a little bit of a drive, and I have coin shops in my area, which I frequently visit. I try to, when possible, visit twice a month if I can, and show my support. I love supporting small businesses. I consider myself to be a small business, so I always appreciate it when people support what I have going on, and I always like to return the favor by helping out and supporting other small businesses. And your local coin shop is, after all, a small business, more than likely. It's probably a small family-owned mom and pop shop, coin shop, if that makes sense. And I usually go to the one near me. But there's another one, a little bit of a drive away. And coincidentally, I have to go there anyway. I'm going to be meeting up with a friend of mine who owns a business which just so happens to be literally right next door to this coin shop. So I think I can make something work. I think I can drop by. I think I can swing by, see what they have over there. I know they have plenty of 90%. And to my understanding, I believe they have plenty of 80% as well. I know they have a lot of Canadian coins, And also, to my understanding, they have far more gold than the coin shop that I normally go to. The coin shop that I normally go to doesn't really have much gold, or really any gold at all, if I'm going to be honest with you. And truth be told, my local coin shop isn't even a coin shop. It's an antique shop. So they have these really old silver coins. They have numismatics. They have silverware. They have things that aren't even precious metals, just antiques. They have so much stuff, but a whole section of their store is dedicated to coins. And it's pretty cool. That's where I got my first piece of silver ever, and that's where I've gotten some 90% many times over the last couple of years. So I will continue to support them. I will continue getting as much 90% from them as I possibly can. But I'm pretty excited to be visiting a brand new coin shop. Not a brand new coin shop, but brand new for me. I've never been there before, and I'm pretty excited. And next week, I'm going to be paying them a visit. I want you guys to head on down in the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic and what you think of the current spot price of silver being up again today. We saw a big day in the green on Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday, we were down low. We were in the red. But now Thursday, we're back in the green. What do you hope to see silver do next? Do you want it to keep climbing up? Do you want it to drop back down? Are you satisfied with where it is right now? And also, if you intertwine the variety of different markets, do you think that everything going on, or potentially going to be going on over the next couple of years, depending on how this proposal goes, do you think that's going to impact the precious metals? And if anybody's interested in joining the Precious Metals VIP Club, it's where I can do things on my own terms, not on YouTube's terms, my terms. I'm hosting privately held live streams. They're smaller and easier to manage. I'm posting exclusive VIP-only adventure vlogs. New one coming on Saturday. I also do giveaways, discounts, personalized promo codes, shout-outs, deal alerts when silver and gold is on sale on a variety of different websites. And of course, you can watch all of my videos early and commercial-free. Come join the Precious Metals VIP Club. It'll be the first link in the description. You're invited. I'd be happy to have you. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. If you guys like me, make sure to hit that subscribe button like a Karen hits a bus window. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. A bunch of brand new videos over there. Just posted one about ordering silver and gold online, one about teaching your kids about silver and gold, one about the tech stock sell-off we've been seeing, one about recovery stocks, one about the credit card crackdown, and a bunch of others. Go check them out. The link will be in the description. Trying really hard to hit 3,000 subscribers. We just hit 2,000, and I appreciate that. And if you want to help support the channel in the biggest possible way, please consider getting yourself some DYDSS merchandise. Of course, we have some precious metal themed t-shirts and hoodies, which are up for grabs, along with a ton of other products. T-shirts, hoodies, even stickers, many of which are raising funds and awareness for different charity organizations, such as the recently released Kraken Stackin' t-shirt, hoodie, sticker, and coffee mug, inspired by the beautiful 2-ounce silver Kraken coin, which, by the way, is helping us raise a little bit of funds and awareness for ocean cleanup charity organizations at no additional cost to you. It comes out of my pocket, not yours. And of course, last but not least, the brand new DYDSS Karen Free Zone t-shirt, hoodie, sticker, and coffee mug.
My name is not Karen.
Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance. It's more than appreciated. And I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know once again, what are your thoughts on everything shared in today's video? When it comes to the spot price of silver, another day in the green, what do you expect to take place tomorrow before the market closes? Do you think it's going to stay in the green? You think it's going to stay kind of where it's at, maybe climb a little bit higher? Or do you think we're going to see a repeat of Tuesday and Wednesday and all of a sudden, boom, right back into the red? 2, I also want you to let me know what you think of this proposal to increase taxes on real estate investors who make over $1 million. And 3, do you think if you were to intertwine the markets, what could potentially go on with real estate, do you think it will have an impact on silver and gold? Head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.